Hello, welcome to another quick and simple video tutorial. Today, we will tell you how to remove background in your image with LightX editor. Let's begin by visiting LightX editor's website on your device. Once you are on the website, click on the editor tools and select the Remove Background tool. Our AI-enabled automatic remove background tool lets you get rid of all sorts of image backgrounds, from easy to complex, in just a few clicks. Now, let's get started with editing. If you don't have your own image, click on any of the 4 preset pictures provided by LightX. If you have one, tap on the Upload Image button. You can insert an image via your device, stock, or uploads. Upon a successful selection and upload, you will get redirected to the Remove Background tool. Here, you can make the selection of either an object or person in the picture in order to keep them and get rid of the background. Click on Refine Cutout to fine-tune the generated cutout. Use any option out of Magic Brush, or Brush to restore the areas of the cutout and Magic Erase or Erase to erase the areas of the cutout. Look at how we are using Magic Brush and Erase options simultaneously to refine our cutout. Once done, go back and click on Transform to crop, scale, rotate and flip your cutout as suitable. Next, click on Background if you wish to add a new background to your image. Under the Fill option, choose from our set of preset colors or graphics for the background. You can also select an image from stock, or upload one from your device as the background. Look at how we are experimenting with different incredible backgrounds for our image cutout. Done with applying the new background, as well, go to the top to rename your image. Go back and tap on Apply to save the edits you just made. Wait until the image gets processed and uploaded. Now, click on the Download button at the top right to export your project to your device. Adjust the output settings as needed.